Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is day 2 in Hong Kong. Today I am going to Kowloon. I'm walking through a market close to my hotel and heading to the subway station to cross over to Kowloon. I am in Hong Kong, on Hong Kong Island right now. I have a lot of things planned for the day. If I can manage to get them done, it will be a great thing. If not, I'll have another day here tomorrow. Hopefully I will be able to get those things done tomorrow. But the intention is to get everything done today so I can probably go to Disney World tomorrow. I am here at Diamond Hill Station and just bought myself a bun. Oh, that fell to the ground. And I'm gonna have a quick bite. So let's see how my first taste of a bun. Good. This one is chicken mushroom. Oh yeah. I'm walking to the Lian garden, which is a classical Chinese garden situated at Diamond Hill. So I arrived here at the Lian garden. This is a pretty nice picture of the facilities over here. The entrance is over there, right under the bridges, just in case you are looking for it. And I'm really excited for this one. I love, Asian gardens, and it looks like it's really nice.
Due to my early arrival, most of the stores and cafes were closed. You are, however, allowed in early to walk through the garden, which includes the stunning Pavilion of Absolute Perfection.
So this is the main attraction here. It is gorgeous. I'm early, so there is not a big crowd at all. It's pretty empty. But it is hot. I'm sweating already, and yeah, it's really nice. It's really, 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 really nice. Now I am going to the part of the Chi Lin Nunnery. It's on the other side of the road. It's more, from what I understood, it's more like a temple, but I'm not sure. So this is the road right there that I was talking about. You take the stairs, and remember, all of this is free entrance. Plaza Hollywood is over there, and we got a great view also of the tea garden. Beautiful, beautiful area.
Once finished at the Lian, I took a less than a minute walk to the Chi Lin Nunnery. On this day, I visited its garden and temple, but the complex also has, among other things, a home for the elderly and a secondary school.
So today I am not allowed to videotape or take photos inside because it's the Buddha birthday and they have some ceremonies in there. I did walk inside. It is very nice inside, but here outside it is gorgeous as well. Sometimes people ask me why I like Asian related things, and this is one of them. I love Asian gardens. I love places like these that are so peaceful.
Both the Lian and Chi Lin Nunnery have a very nice collection of bonsais. Afterwards, I decided to head to the nearby Choi Hung Estate, which is one of the oldest and largest public housing estates in Hong Kong.
And the reason I'm here is that it is a very popular Instagram spot. Getting a first glimpse of it right now. Nobody's playing, they're just taking photos. I don't know if I came the right time, but because of the planning, I had to do this now because it was close by to the I'm getting confused by the names. Chinli, I think. Nunnery. And so it's about I would say a 15-minute walk. So if you're there, make sure you come here as well. It's not too bad of a walk. It is hot today though. Gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna get a photo.
During this trip, I quickly learned that one of the biggest challenges of solo travel is getting good shots of yourself. I did, however, get a few nice ones, and to be fair, I also found one guy working on his basketball skills. As you may see, the so-called Instagrammers, and I include myself, invade these courts every day, and thus it has become one of the most popular photographed spots in Hong Kong. After a brief subway ride, I headed to my next stop.
So this is the, I don't know, Sik Wong Tai Sin Temple. There is here as well some construction going on. Oh, okay. The entrance is on the other side. So I'm gonna have to do a quick stop here. I'm running really short on time. I still need to do one thing. And let me figure out the entrance here.
Due to the construction, the entrance was through this interesting and brightly colored market where you can buy worship articles, and I heard that you can even have a fortune-telling session. Once inside, I was able to appreciate this Taoist temple. It is dedicated to Wong Tai Sin, or the Great Immortal Wong. The temple is located on the southern side of Lian Rock in the north of Kowloon and is famed for the many prayers answered via the practice called Cow Chip. Knowing very little about Taoism, it started to hit me that day. I think one of the things that most inspires me to travel is to learn more about other cultures and traditions. However, the more I learn, the more curious I get, and it somehow becomes an addiction just like any other. I got fascinated by this place called Hong Kong that we hear so much of, but yet know almost nothing about. I knew 3 days here wasn't going to be nearly enough, but I was determined to see and learn as much as I can.
So there is a large cruise ship in port literally in city. Actually it's a shopping mall. I tried to go upstairs, but I'm running a little bit short on time, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to the Big Buddha now, which is on Lantau Island, and so it's gonna take probably 30 minutes to 45 minutes to get there, and I don't want to spend too much time here, but it's pretty nice. It's a pretty nice thing to see.
After the long train ride, I finally arrived at Ongping 360, which is the cable car that takes you to the Big Buddha. I was warned of long lines but had no choice. It took over an hour and a half between buying the ticket and getting on the cable car. The ride is almost 6 kilometers and lasts about 25 minutes. I decided to pay a little extra to get on the crystal floor car. Despite being afraid of heights, it was well worth it and I did not feel uncomfortable at all. The scenery throughout the ride is simply stunning. There is so much to see, from the water below to the nearby airport with landing aircrafts, but also the green and lush terrain with people hiking to the Big Buddha.
A cable car, and this is what you take to get. We're gonna be going up there to the Big Buddha, also the way it's called. This is the facility, tickets for other activities you can do over here, and also a souvenir shop and other facilities, and I believe temples as well over here.
Although commercialized, I felt I was entering a very special place. The facilities here are in top condition and I felt lucky to make it here on this day.
And now I'm gonna climb up there. It's pretty steep, but I do believe I can do it. Doesn't look too bad, but it is crowded up there as well. I'm gonna do a time work for you guys.
Watching families teach their kids about their culture and heritage was a priceless moment for me, and so was hearing the monks sing a memorizing song in a monastery. I also stopped and relaxed at the nearby pond, hearing the running water and watching the beautiful koi fish. This place made me realize that while many times we only dream of certain trips, the key is to make it a reality. For me, it was a life-changing moment. It made me realize that travel is so into my blood that I could never live a day without dreaming, even for a moment, where I want to go next. It was getting late, so I started to get back to my hotel, and the return view was just as amazing. In just 2 days, it became a habit of passing by this market. Tonight, it was busier with a lot more fresh products. With these clips, I just wanted to give you guys a glimpse of how the food markets are in Hong Kong. If you have been watching my other videos, I just wanted to take a moment to thank you for your support. If you are new to my channel, I thank you for your interest. Please consider subscribing, and remember, there's a lot more content coming your way with new videos up every Friday. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.